Recently, I've been testing out the very popular Bifesta Bright Up from Mandem. Now, this is a super popular first cleanser in the Asian beauty community, but does it really break down your makeup and sunscreen? Well, give this video a big thumbs up and let's find out. Don't let the name cleansing lotion fool you. Lotion in Japanese beauty roughly translates to toner, and this has a very toner-like consistency. It's very watery, and in fact, it actually includes no oil at all. There's also no alcohol, no fragrance, and no added colors. This formula actually also includes a little bit of AHA exfoliation. It's a very gentle form, and that's where the name Bright Up comes from, because it helps to brighten up and even out your skin tone over time. So the texture and consistency of this first cleanser is like nothing I have ever seen before. It's completely watery. There's no oil at all. There's no greasy or heavy feeling. When you put this on your face, it feels just like water. Actually, if you've ever tried my cellular water, it's incredibly similar to that. It is very like watery and light, but there is that little bit of like slip, almost like a soapy feeling when you put it on your face. So this is really great for people who don't like that heavy or greasy feeling that oil and balm cleansers have. This is definitely something you should look into if you've ever felt like an oil cleanser is just too heavy for you. So there are two different ways that you can apply this cleansing lotion. The first would be kind of like you would with a traditional oil cleanser. Just put a pump into your hand, place it all over your face, work it into your dry skin with your makeup and sunscreen layers, emulsify with a little bit of water on your fingertips, then rinse away clean and follow with your foaming cleanser. The other way that you can use this is actually on a cotton pad. You can put a pump onto the cotton pad, run it all over your face, then rinse your face and then follow up with your foaming cleanser. Either way works really well. I did find that with eye makeup, this cleanser actually worked better if you use a cotton pad. I just felt like the makeup came up a little bit more effectively with the cotton pad, but honestly, in my opinion, you really could go either way and you'll still get a very effective clean. So, does this work to take off makeup and sunscreen? Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys, this thing works so good. I am incredibly impressed. You know, the first time that I used this, I was really not sure what to expect. You know, the watery texture had me a little concerned. I put it all over my face, and as I was working it in, I had my eyes closed and I was working in, and I was like, I really don't think this is gonna work, you know? I really thought that I was gonna have like a bunch of makeup left over on my face. So I rinsed my face off, I looked up in the mirror, and holy cow, my face was totally clean of makeup, especially my eye makeup. I always have problems with panda eyes after my first cleanser. I still usually have a lot of eye makeup left over. There was hardly any left, and this was just so impressive to me because it feels like nothing on your face, but it really works to break up that makeup quickly. I never experienced any kind of like dryness on my skin or any tightness at all. This didn't irritate my skin whatsoever. Now, I have been using this for about 3 weeks. I haven't necessarily noticed a bright up effect, but I'm not really that concerned about the brightening claims of this because it takes my makeup off so well. I could care less about the bright up. I really think that this works so well for makeup. It's kind of like a magnet. Like you run a magnet all over your face and your makeup just goes to the magnet. It works so well. This also works really well if you like to do double cleansing in the morning on your bare face to help clean out your pores. Now, oil-based cleansers do attract oil-based impurities, so oil and oil attract, and that helps clean out your pores. So this doesn't have the sensation of getting any type of grits out or any really oil-based impurities. However, if you suffer from sebaceous filaments, especially like on your nose, this works really well as a first cleanser. The first time I used this on bare skin, no joke, I got like 5 sebaceous filaments out of my nose, and I wasn't even trying that hard to work them out. So if you have any kind of problems with like blackheads or sebaceous filaments, I do think that this can really help you clean your pores out effectively. So this first cleanser also passes my test for affordability. I don't like to spend a lot of money on my first and second cleansers because honestly, it just gets washed down the drain pretty quickly. So I'd rather not spend $20 or $30 on something that's going down my sink. I'd rather spend my skincare dollars on something that sits on my skin for a long time, like serums and essences. So this cleanser goes for about $14, which I think is totally reasonable. It's a huge bottle and it really works well. What I also like about this one is you can buy refills for your bottle. So once you've already got a bottle in your stash, if you need to fill up the bottle, you can just buy the refill on Amazon for about $10 to $11, so you don't pay for more packaging when you already have it in your stash. So I really recommend that you guys check out this Japanese cult classic, the Bifesta Bright Up Cleansing Lotion from Mandem. This stuff is amazing. So let me know in the comments, do you guys prefer cleansing oils or cleansing waters? And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss the next time I upload a new skincare video. Alright, I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bye guys.